Bagyong Juan nanatiling malakas habang papalapit ng Luzon. Extreme alert, buong Luzon, buong Visayas, at lang bahagi ng Mindanao dulot ni Super Typhoon Juan. Buong Luzon, buong Visayas, at Northeastern Mindanao posibleng maapektuhan ng Super Typhoon Juan, Fangwong. Mamayang gabi, November 9, pa ang inaasahang pagtama ng bagyo sa Luzon. Extreme Risk, Alert Level Charlie. 360 km diameter, radius, 180 km north, 180 km south. Winds up to 130 km per hour. Intense to torrential rains. 37 provinces: Abra, Albay, Apayao, Aurora, Bataan, Batangas, Benguet, Bulacan, Cagayan, Camarines Norte, Camarines Sur, Catanduanes, Cavite, Eastern Samar, Ifugao, Ilocos Norte, Ilocos Sur, Isabela, Kalinga, La Union, Laguna, Metro Manila, Mountain Province, Northern Samar, Nueva Ecija, Nueva Vizcaya, Pampanga, Pangasinan, Quezon, Quirino, Sorsogon, Samar, Rizal, Tarlac, Zambales. High Risk, Alert Level Bravo. 960 km diameter, radius, 480 km north, 480 km south. Winds up to 88 km per hour. Heavy to intense rains. 25 provinces: Batanes, Biliran, Capiz, Cebu, Iloilo, Leyte, Occidental Mindoro, Oriental Mindoro, Romblon. Moderate Risk, Alert Level Alpha. 1,450 km diameter, radius, 800 km north, 650 km south. Winds up to 61 km per hour. Moderate to heavy rains. 20 provinces: Agusan del Norte, Agusan del Sur, Aklan, Antique, Bohol, Bukidnon, Camiguin, Dinagat Islands, Guimaras, Lanao del Norte, Misamis Occidental, Misamis Oriental, Siquijor, Southern Leyte, Surigao del Norte, Surigao del Sur, Zamboanga del Norte,